Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set the timer on your Daikin air conditioner so that it automatically turns on or off at the time you choose. So first off, before using the timer, you need to make sure that your remote's clock is set correctly. So on top of your remote, you just have to simply press the clock button, and after pressing the clock button, you just have to simply use these temperature up and the down buttons in order to basically adjust the current time. Then press the clock button again in order to save these changes. Now to have the AC turn on automatically, you just have to now simply press this type of timer button, and then you can just simply use these up and the down buttons in order to basically select the time that you want the air conditioner to start. Then you just have to simply press the on timer again in order to confirm that. You will see the on timer icon available on the screen's display. So you will have the AC turn off automatically. So you just have to simply press the off timer button, then adjust the shutdown time using the temperature buttons or these types of up and the down buttons. Then you just have to simply press the timer off timer again in order to save the settings. Now the off timer icon will also appear on the screen. So that's how you can basically set the timer. Now if you want to cancel the timer, you just have to simply press the cancel button, or you can press the on cancel button or the off cancel button depending on which timer you want to cancel. So this way you will be able to also cancel it. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you for watching.